EUROCOPTER proudly presents Airbus helicopter AS350B-2, serial number 2109. With over 1,000 AS350B-2s currently performing a wide range of missions in over 65 countries, the B-2 has an impressive track record. This multi-purpose single-engine helicopter is known for its high level of versatility and low acquisition cost that has made it a sought-after helicopter. AS350B-2 serial number 2109 features a wide cabin and panoramic view to ensure optimum visibility for both passengers and crew in a 6-seat passenger transport layout. Included with serial number 2109 is the optional double passenger front seat on the left-hand side in matching upholstery to enable a 7-seat configuration when required, as well as 3 baggage compartments and high skid gear. The cockpit is single-pilot day and night VFR certified, equipped with a Garmin GTR 225 Navcom 1, GNC 255Com 2 and GTX 330 Mode S transponder, as well as a Safran Helisafe V2 Plus monitor. Powered by a Safran Ariel 1D1 turbine engine, the AS350B-2 combines high performance, low fuel consumption and easy maintenance. Other notable options include a wire strike protection system, dual controls, DART full-length steps, double battery installation, and fixed parts for onboard systems cargo hook, emergency flotation, and DART extended range fuel tank. This helicopter is hangared in the southwest of the UK at Gloucestershire Airport, Staverton, and has always been maintained to the highest industry standards. Airbus helicopter AS350B-2, serial number 2109, presented by EUROCOPTER.